it is a bit of a competitive advantage if you can sell a $3,000 program for $900, right? Like,
Can you talk to us a little bit? 'Cause you brought this up with the hybrid insurance models. I just want to touch upon it because I think that some people could benefit from it that don't know what that is all about. What
yeah.
what exactly is the hybrid and how do they do it?
Yeah. So a hybrid can mean a lot of different things, but generally, my definition of a hybrid is you're combining face to face one on one services with some sort of deliverable that's not face to face. The reason that's applicable in an insurance model is because for most healthcare experts, insurance only covers your face-to-face time. So I work with a lot of dietitians, for example. In dietetics, you get paid when you're literally like doing this with a client. If you're doing research, if you're sending messages, if you're putting together a protocol or something behind the scenes, insurance is not paying for any of that. So when you sell a hybrid offer, you're basically putting a dollar value on everything that you're doing outside of those sessions for the person that actually help them get better results. So you spending time being available for messaging, that can help somebody get better results than if they have to wait 2 weeks to have another appointment with you. You having a portal with videos that go through a particular process that helps them implement things that you talked about in your conversations, that is value because I don't know about you, but if I have an hour-long appointment with somebody, what are the odds that I'm going to remember everything we talked about and be able to just go do it, right? So if it's like, hey, go watch that video, go do this worksheet, come back, we'll talk about it. People can slow down, they can rewatch things, they can, like if you have a transcript, they can read it. People learn in different ways, and you can actually help transfer the knowledge and help them get the transformation more effectively than if all you're doing is one-on-one. So those offers can be extremely valuable to the ideal client, and they don't require you to be only charging for your face-to-face time. So if you have a hybrid offer, whether your insurance partially covered or if you're fully cash, you can make a lot more money with fewer clients than if everything was like, I'm only getting paid for my face-to-face time. So I have clients that they do both. So they have insurance contracts, but they also take cash for people who either don't have insurance or not contracted with the ones that they're in network with. So they might have like a $2,000-$3,000 program that when somebody can apply their insurance, maybe it's a $900 program. And so that, like the person's getting a $3,000 program for $900, that feels like this huge value for the person, which it is, but you're still getting the full value of the program because you're getting paid from the insurance company and from the cash.
Yep.
So it is something where you can have way fewer clients, they can get better results. You don't have to have as many sessions. You have that like cash flow from the cash portion as well. You can serve people that are not just insurance, because I know I know we got out of insurance this year. Like there's a lot of people that have dropped their insurance and now you don't have to just take in people's insurance. And it gives you so much flexibility with your business while also it is a bit of a competitive advantage if you can sell a $3,000 program for $900, right? Like it just is. It's easier to
Yeah.
sell.
And I wonder
So
too, even like having like an add-on service. So like having your insurance, so it's say like this is the program. We meet once a week or whatever. But if you want to also add on this additional texting and meal planning and whatever it may be on the side for X amount of dollars, like I am like as a client, that's amazing because it's like I've met with dietitians before and I'll just get like the, bi-monthly or whatever sessions. And it's kind of like, well, wait a second. I have so many questions in between or like no one's checking my food log. It's just kind of like the time goes by and before you know it, the 6 sessions are over and nothing happened. And so I think, yeah, having that add-on service or, no matter how you position it, whether it's an add-on service or a discount to the service that you're providing, as a client, that is huge. That's so attractive.
mhm.
I like that idea.
Yeah, and I will say from a sales perspective, I have found that selling it as your main offer altogether can work better because a lot of times, like you're probably like me where you're like, I will spend whatever money I need to get the best possible experience. Some people are a little bit more, well, do I really need it? Is it like really worth the add-on? So they might be a little bit more like, I don't really
Yeah.
need the messaging, and then they don't pay for it, even though they really would have benefited from it. So usually my preference, and again, this is just a preference, you can do it however you want. My preference is to package it all as like a service that then insurance covers part of it. so that people don't have to decide, do I want this? Do I not? Do I pay for it? Like, you as the provider have decided this is the best way for me to serve you. And that doesn't mean you couldn't say, if somebody says no, that, okay, well, we can just do the sessions if like that's what you want, that's fine, but this is how I typically serve my clients. It gives less of this, like, I don't know, just people can sometimes get a little bit in their heads about, should I really spend money on that? Do I really need it? Versus you come very confidently to say, this is the service I provide to help you get this result. They're like, great, I'm in, sounds awesome. And then, they're just in it and they don't have to decide, do I want the texting? Do I not? Like, it's just part of what you've included.
That makes sense. Hey, sorry to interrupt, but if you are a health or wellness professional and you haven't yet checked out The Wellness Vault, you're missing out. The Wellness Vault is a content hub for coaches who create their own plans and programs for their clients, run workshops, create digital guides, and so much more. You can now do all of this in a fraction of the time so you can focus on your clients and grow your business faster than ever with more you time. The link to The Wellness Vault is in the show notes, so go sign up for your free trial today. Thank you for watching this short clip. To watch or listen to this episode in its entirety, view the description below. See you next time.